So now what I'm going to explain what concept we are going to discuss today. So from yesterday, whatever the concepts that we are discussing, file handling comes under advanced Python. Okay, so today also advanced Python only. As I mentioned, exceptional handling, very much important. Exceptional handling. So what is the meaning of handling? File handling means playing with the files. Here also exception handling. Then what is the meaning of exception? The point here is what is the meaning of exception? Exception is nothing but error. What is the meaning of exception, guys? Error. Okay. So if you want to be expert in the Python, please go to tools, setting AI assistant. Please off the generate AI features. Every time they are going to recommend the code, or almost 50% of the work they are only doing. So you can't become a expert in Python if the AI is helping in that way. You can take the help, but a reasonable help should be there, not in this level. Okay, file handling means playing with the files. What about exception handling? Exception means what? Exception means nothing but I'm going to write here. What is the meaning of exception? Exception means nothing but error. Exceptional handling. What is the meaning of exceptional handling? Error. I mean, normally the meaning of exception. The meaning of exception is nothing but error. So now you tell me what is the meaning of exceptional handling? What is the meaning of exceptional handling? Exceptional handling will be nothing but
Handling error.
Handling errors.
yes, handling errors. So everyone should keep only one thing in mind. What is that means is lot of students will think real-time employees also most of the people exceptional handling means they will think that we are going to that exception handling concept is going to remove the errors so that we can easily escape from the errors. No, exceptional handling means to optimize the error, not to solve the error. I'm telling you. So it is used to optimize the error. Optimize means what? In a proper format, the error will come. In a proper format, the error will come. It is used to optimize the error, but not to remove the error. Error error should be removed by developer only. Only you have to remove the error. But exceptional handling, what it will do is it will help you to optimize the error. Optimized means very simple. In a very simple way, I will tell you the logic. Let's say for example, what I'm going to do is if you are getting the error in 20 lines, error is in 20 lines. It's not an optimized way. Same error if I replace in 2 lines, the meaning, whatever the information that is there in the 20 lines, if I make it in the 2 lines, which one is optimized? 2 lines is optimized, yes or no? 2 lines is optimized. So what I'm trying to say here is exceptional handling is used to optimize the error, but not to remove the error. I'm telling you. Okay, so that is number one. There are a lot of errors will rise, like lot of errors will come when you do the programming. Okay, lot of errors will come. So some most important errors I will write here. Not important, like regularly what real time people will face that errors. When you are doing the programming language, lot of errors will come. Lot of errors will come. But most repeated errors when you work frequently are so most Repeated, repeated errors. Most repeated errors are okay in the real time. Mostly, whenever we do, these kind of errors will come commonly. Commonly, these errors will come. What are they? First one, zero division error. Zero division error. So next one is name error. Next one is value error. Next one is zero division error, name error, value error, indentation, indentation error, and indentation error, and IOE error. IOE means input and output errors. Input and output error, not errors error. So these five errors we will get frequently. And another one you are missing. What is that one? Syntax
Syntax.
error. Yes. Every day same story. I mean daily we will see this error. So exceptional handling means which is used to optimize the error. This is the main agenda. Exception means error. Handling means you are going to handle. You are going to optimize the error. Optimize means very simple logic. What is the meaning of? I will write here very clearly. All points I will write here. Optimized means what? Optimized means converting converting seven lines error into single line. Single line. So that it will be very easy to understand. So that it will be becomes very easy to understand. Simple. So now let's see. Okay, sir, you are telling me these are the most repeated errors in the programming language. Most when you do practice, these things repeats commonly. So tell me like what is the meaning of each error? Let me explain you first each error. Then I will tell you how we can optimize the error. First we will see the error and we will see how to optimize the error. So first one is what guys? Syntax error. So syntax error means what? So syntax error means, for example, a equal to syntax error means 10a equal to 55.55. Print 10a. What will be my output, guys? What will be my output?
Syntax error,
Syntax
variable
error.
name.
Yes, it is a syntax error because in the place of the variable, you are not following the rule. Variable should not start with a given. Variable should not start with a number, but it is starting with the number. You see, can you see here? Your focus should be here. I'm telling you, your focus should be here. Syntax error. Your focus should be here. Next one. Next one. This is normally syntax error. Zero division error. For example, what is the meaning of zero division error? I will explain you very clearly here. Let's say, for example, just give me a minute. I'll just change. Okay. So, what is the meaning of zero division error? For example, guys, you tell me 0 divided by 20. What is the answer? 20.
Fine.
0. 20 zeros is 0. Remainder is 0. Yes or no? 0 divided by anything will be 0 only. 0 divided by any number you write, you will be getting 0. Any number you write divided by 0. Any number
Error.
you divide by
Error,
0.
undefined.
Normally in mathematics, any number,
Infinite. Infinite.
yes, any number if you divide with a 0, you will be getting infinity. You will be getting infinity, right? My question is, according to the mathematics, it is infinity. What is the meaning of infinity? We don't know what value will be there at that point. We don't know what value will be there at that particular point. Okay, so CPU, how can the CPU will guess this value? Is it possible? CPU will work with the mathematics, okay, but if you ask the CPU to generate the infinite values, from where it will think? Any operating system, any processor will only generate the values from minus 32,000 to the 32,000. Beyond these values, we call them as garbage values. We call them as garbage values. Those things will be converted into exponential formats. Okay. The question is, in infinity, is there is no value at all. How the CPU will understand? So zero division error means any number, if you are dividing with zero, then you are going to get a zero division error. Any number, if you divide with zero, you are going to get zero division error. See here, zero division error, zero division error. So what I'm going to do here is, let's say for example, a is equals to 100, b is equals to 0. Print a by b. Now tell me, guess what will be my output? A means 100, number divided by 0. So here you are going to get an issue. What was the issue? See,
Division by 0.
here you are dividing 100 with 0. When you are doing 100 with 0, what the Python is telling for you? Python is telling, in this line, you are writing 100 by 0. Any number if you divide with 0, it is going to throw error, and error is in the sixth line, and here the error is coming. And what is the type of the error, guys? What is error type? Zero division error, division by 0. Okay, this is the type. This is the error type. This is the error information. Type and information. My question is, guys, you see, when you are getting the error like this, how many lines? Just count how many lines total. The output, how many lines are there? So let's say I'm going to see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, space 7, 8. So this much box is coming. So this much box of error is coming. What I'm trying to say is, if you do it directly like this, if you do directly like this, if there is any issue, 7 to 8 lines of error will be showing you. My point is, error is in line 6. Error is in line 6. Error reason is zero division error. Guys, you tell me, these two lines are enough or not? Error is in the line 6, and due to zero division error, the error is coming. So you can't solve it here. You can solve it now. Very simple. So this is optimized way. Instead of generating this much error, we can optimize. So what that also we will do in few minutes in the exception handle. Don't worry in that. So zero division error means any number if you divide with 0, you are going to get zero division error. Simple. Then if you see, what is the name error? Guys, what is the name error? Name error. For example, guys, now I will get error or not?
Yes.
Case sensitive
Yes.
error,
Yes.
sir.
Can anyone tell me why?
It's
mention
capital letters.
Yes. In the memory, it will save as a small city, but when you are calling, it is calling as a when you are calling as a capital city is not there. Now see, guys, what is the error? Name error only, no? So you are writing something as a variable and you are calling the capital letter of it. It is highly impossible. It's not so good. It's not a good way. Now you see the error. See these many lines. This is not optimized way. Okay. Next one, name error means variable you are writing small letters and you are calling capital means name error will come. What about value error? What about value? I will write here. Value error. For example, I am going to write What will be my output? Tell me, any one of you. What will be my output? Can any one of you tell me?
Here text and integer both have, sir. So here we are calling integer A only.
A is equals to Python 1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
Python
Integer,
1, 2, 3.
Python will remove the quotes. Once removing the quote, do all are integers inside? No. In the here, I told you type conversions. Do you remember?
Right.
In between the quotes, if you have complete numbers only, you can convert them into integer or quote. But in between the quotes, if you have combinations or letters, means you can't convert them into integer. Follow the recording. Type conversions recording once. Please check. See value error. Value error. How can you convert to integer? If there is in between the quotes, suppose if you have only 1, 2, 3, that is possible. But if you have something like Python 1, 2, 3 means text is there and number is there. Okay. But if I convert to integer, text is not an integer, no. So that is a value error. That is a value error. So guys, following me now, all of you? Syntax
Yes.
error means not following the rule. Zero division error, any number with zero. Name error, writing small letters and calling capital. Value error means you are trying to convert a string to integer or string to float, but in between the quotes there is a text. That is also not possible. Indentation error. I hope this one lot of people are facing. Indentation error. Indentation error. For example, for I in range of 1 to 11. For I in range of 1 to 11. Print I. I am writing like this. For I in range of 1 to 11, I am writing print I. If I run it, indentation error. Why? Two columns will give the permission you to go inside, but you are not going inside. Sir, you are not following the rule here. So indentation error. If you don't go inside the function, or if you don't go inside the loop or iteration or anything, that particular kind of concept is known as an indentation error. Okay. For example, another indentation error, if you want, I'll show you another one. Another indentation error. F1, F1. See guys, why indentation error? This print should be inside the function or outside the function. This print should be inside the function or outside the function.
Right now it is outside the function. It should be
It should be,
inside.
it should be inside the function, but you are writing outside. So you are not following the
Yes, sir.
indentation. Indent means if you click on enter, it will come to the middle, but wantedly you are writing in the starting position. This type of things will generate an indentation error. IOE error, I think you have seen yesterday. Now you tell me guys, IOE error.
Sir, once again you explain indentation once.
Indentation error. Indentation means, let's say this is the function. Function means what? Box. I told you, if you create the function, for example, I created a function. If you don't want to write anything inside the function, if you want to make them empty, please write pass. Please write pass. That's it. You see, you created the function and you are calling the function, but inside the function, I'm not writing anything. I'm leaving it empty. I'm completely leaving it empty. But wantedly, if you are writing the print, some print if you are writing, yeah, some print if you are writing, and this print basically it should be indent, like it should be inside. But wantedly I'm writing outside. Now see, I'm a following indentation, like I'm a following inside area. I'm not following the inside area. So that's why indentation error is coming. Understood, Dipti?
Yes, sir.
And next one is IOE error. IOE means input and output error basically. Basically, IOE means input and output error. So what is this input and output error? Let's see. For example, now you will only tell me because yesterday only we have done the concept. See guys. Now tell me guys, what will be my output? Anyone?
Sir, file does not exist.
File does not exist. Yes. What R will do? So user want to trying to open shahrukh.txt file. What is the mode? Mode is not R. R means read,
Read
right?
mode.
R will go and will see whether the file is there or not. File is not there. So if the file is not there, how can we open? You can't open. This is not a W or this is not a to create the file. If the file is not there, you can't open the file and you can't read the data from the file. If you do this type of operations, if the file is not there but you are trying to open the file, so if you do this kind of operations, you are going to face a error that is known as an IOE error. But here you will see in a different way. See, you will see file not found error. In other this name file not found error, we call them as IOE error. Okay, the nickname for this one IOE error is nothing but file not found error, because where whatever the file that we are searching, shahrukh.txt file, whatever we are searching, that is not there anywhere. So what are the common errors guys that we have in the market? Syntax error, zero division error, name error, value error, indentation error, and IOE error. So these are the errors, and I clearly told you, if you see the errors, what is happening in the error? So total 7 to 8 lines it is generating, and unwanted stuff, all the unwanted stuff. I don't know why these lines are coming, why this is coming, like why this API is coming. Okay, why to show this one? Just showing line number is enough, no? So this is not optimized. This is completely not optimized. So now I want to optimize the error. Optimizing the error is a exceptional handling. Optimizing the error is a exceptional handling that I have written here very, very clearly. The point here is come down. The point here is come down. So here what I am doing is, so here what I am doing here is generally, let's say, exceptional handling. Exceptional handling. I will write here very clearly. So exceptional handling is having two types. What are the two types? One of the type is try, and another type is accept. Okay, another type is accept. Okay, so exceptional handling means very simple. It's very simple. You are going to optimize the error. To optimize the error, there are two different types. One is try, one is accept. In Java programming language, in the place of accept, we are going to write catch. In the place of accept, you are going to write catch in Java. But in Python, it will be try block. Very simple guys, try block and accept block. Very simple, try block and accept block. So what this will do, sir? I will tell you very clearly. I will tell you. See, there is a cricket player here. There is a cricket player. The cricket ball is in front of this particular cricket player, and he is collecting that particular ball. He is collecting the ball and he is throwing to some other player. He is throwing towards to some other player. Player 1, for example, player 2. Player 1 is picking the ball and throwing to the person 2. So this ball from here, it will come here. So if this person, if he is not catching the ball, what happens? When I throw the ball towards you, if you don't catch the ball, what happens? It will hit your body.
It will drop, sir.
It will hit your body. Yes or no? Okay, so same concept. Like if I throw the ball towards your face or your body, you need to catch it. If you don't catch it, what happens? It will hit your body and the damage will be happen. And the damage will be happen. So what I'm trying to say from here? Okay, what I am trying to say from here is, let's say, try block means very simple. See, try block means just write try. You need to write the try. I'm trying. Whatever the code that I want to write, I will write inside the try. For example, if you want to prepare for IIT exam, first you will try the exam. Just a trial. You try the exam. If you try the exam means what happens, guys? Will anything happen? See, I am trying to write the IIT exam. Okay, I will try. I have passed the exam. Done now? Clear now? Yes or no? So there are two different things. Try and accept. Very simple concept. Try box and accept the box. Try and accept. Whatever the code that you are writing inside the try, if it is working well, means good. Good. Accept block will be silent because I am trying. It is happening here. Then why there is another option for me? There would be no other option, no? Like I want to try. Yes, it is working. I want to try. I want to clear IIT exam. I cleared enough. Then why about MSET and NEET and all these kind of things? And second one, in the try, I have written few lines of code. There is some issue happened. On that time, what happens? On that time, accept will activate. This is just like if and else. If it is true, then it will run the code. If this is something is happening, then accept will come. That I will tell you very, very properly here. That I will teach you very clearly. So let's see here. I am writing try. So just write the try and inside whatever you want, you can write it. I'm going to write the try. A is equals to 100. P is equals to 200. Divided by P. Guys, you tell me inside the try, see, inside the try only I have written. I have not written wherever I want. First I am keeping try. I want inside the try I have written this code. Inside the try block, I am writing this code. Do you have any issues in the try block, guys? No. There is no issues. Except block also written. Guys, now see, I'm right. I will explain it very, very detailedly. So don't be confused here. There are two blocks. One is try and one is expect. First, if I run the code, I will go inside the try block. Guys, you tell me, any one of you, inside the try block. See, try means it's an option. It's a box. So inside the try, you can write everything. Whatever the code you are writing outside, write inside the try. Very simple. What happens? My question is there any issues here? Any code issues or any issues is happening in this particular lines?
No.
Nothing is happening. Everything is good. I will get the output here. There is no need of accept block. Why accept? I am keeping a try. If it works, good. If it don't works, then we need to think about it. Imagine, see, Now 100 divided by 200, very simple. 100 divided by 200. Or if you want, you just maintain like this. See, I'm getting 2. Why? Because see, inside the tray, what I have written, A100, B200. And you see here, 100 by 200 by 100. I'm going to get 200 divided by 100, which means 2 times. 100 to the 200, right? I'm getting 200. It is not going to accept block. It is not going for the accept block. It is not at all going for the accept block. But now see here. Now tell me guys, what happens? Now tell me.
E
In the try,
zero division error.
Exception.
yes. Inside the try block, I'm getting one error, yes or no? I'm getting the error here. So what happens now is, see how I am optimizing the error. Inside the box, if there is no error, it will print. No need of except. But there is an error here. In this line, there is an error. That error will be collected by the try block. Whatever error is there, that will be collected by the try block. Try block will take the error. It will throw towards the except block. Try will take the error and it will throw towards the accept. Guys, you tell me, I am having a ball in my hand. If I am going to throw towards you, you need to catch the ball, yes or no? So like that, there is a issue. That issue was corrected by the try. Try is throwing towards the accept. Accept should hold it, like accept should catch it now. Where it is catching? With the name of exception, it is catching. So I am Kamal, other opposite Praveen is there. Kamal is throwing the ball to the Praveen. If the Praveen won't catch it, it will hit the face. Here also, Try is throwing the ball to the, see, imagine Try is Kamal and this is Praveen. Try is throwing the ball to Praveen. So Try, I'm throwing the ball. Praveen need to accept, no, I'm accepting with E. Exception. I'm accepting with exception. So I am going to get the issue. That issue was corrected by the try. That issue was corrected by try. Try is going to give to accept. I am getting an issue. Issue is given to the, very simple guys. Whatever the issue that you are getting, where you are getting exactly, you are getting the issue here. That issue was collected by the try. Try will collect it. It will throw to accept. Accept need to catch it now. It will catch with the name exception. And every time instead of writing exception, I will create the alias name E. Now what is the E guys? What is there in the E? Tell me. The error which is coming from here, see? Yes or no? Error from here, it was collected by the try. Try given to accept. Accept is keeping in the exception. Alias name of exception is nothing but E. Now if I go inside and if I print E, what is there in the E? In the E, I'm having error only. From where this E is coming? From here. So this error going here, given to accept. Accept will keep in the exception. Alias name, and I'm printing that alias name, nothing but this error only. Now if I run it, if there is no issues in the try block, accept block won't run. But if there is an issue in C, what is the output? Let's see here. What is the output? Simply
Printing the error.
division the error. Simple. Why these many lines? Why these many lines is you? So these many lines for the error. Simply organized way. I'm getting the error. What is error? Zero division error. Zero line number is also we can pull out. Don't worry in that. Simple. For example, now you tell me what happens. You see try block inside the try. Inside the try. A is equals to ready? B is equals to int of A, print B. B is equals to print of A, print B. So first line string, in the second line int of A, which means what it will
Value
do?
error will come, sir. Value error.
This line error is there here. In the second line error is there, no? The second line error is there. That error will be collected by the try. That error will be collected by the try. Try will give to except block. Except try is going to throw to the except block will catch it with the help of exception. Like this exception keyword is like a hands. Somebody is throwing the ball towards my face. I need to catch with my hands. Yes or no? So try is throwing the ball to the except is catching it with the help of their hands. What is the hands? What was the hand? Exception. And instead of writing every time exception, I am writing as E, alias name. Now see, if I print E, there is a issue. Issue is given to the try is throwing to the except and holding by the exception. Alias name is going inside and printing. Going inside and printing. Now if you see, you will be getting a shortcut, a simple line. A simple line you are going to get. Now you tell me guys, the errors are optimized or not? You tell me. The errors are, what is this errors? All this. Simply the error, if you see, simple errors. Optimizing the error. Guys, you understood the relation between try and except? All of you?
Yes, come on.
Now see, I will give you a lot, some important one. Simple exception handlings are easy if you focus on that. See, in the try block, I'm writing the same code instead of wasting time. Same code I'm writing. But see, I'm writing like this, guys. So what I'm trying to say is, first write the try block. First try block. Is there any issue in the try block or not? Tell me. There is an issue in the try block. There is an issue in the try block, which means in this line there is an issue. In this line there is an issue. So the issue will be collected by the try. Okay, try will throw, but what was the issue that is coming here? Value error. So first try will try to throw the error to the except. But this except block is accepting only zero division errors. So it won't throw for this. And it will try to go to the next one. This one. So value, whatever the income error from the try and whatever that is there in the except here, both are matching or not? Both are matching or not? For example, no sir, if I just change here value error to, suppose if I change name error. Now tell me, what I am trying to say is, you are getting an issue here. That issue basically it's a value error, right? That issue is collecting by the try. Try will give to accept block, okay, but in the this accept block you are accepting only zero division error. This accept block you are only only accepting name error, but where you will accept this one? Where this value error will be given? So there it will throw the error outside. It will throw the error outside. See, simply it will give like this. Why? Because whatever the error that is coming, that is collecting by the try. Okay, fine, accepted. Whatever the error that is coming here, that is given to the try. Try will give to the accept block so that it will be optimized. But who is accepting? If the try is giving to the accept block, so here only you are accepting zero division error. Here you are accepting name error. Then what about this one? Who will accept this? So that's why the universal way of writing the error is this one. Universal way. Any issue you came, any issue, it might be any issue, that issue will be collected by the try. That issue will be collected by the try. Try will give to accept and will keep in exception. Any exception it will be. Any exception? No, there is no need of exception restrictions. Okay. Alias name and print it. Simple. See? Guys, who didn't understood? Please let me know. All understood? Try block and except block. Try blocks and except block. All.
For one try block, we can have any exceptions.
Come again, Mansa. For
For one try block, we can have any number of exceptions.
if you write exception keyword, only one you need to write. Individually, like what I'm trying to say is, let's say you have written the code in the try block.
Mhm.
For whatever the code you have written in the try block, one exception is enough basically. No, I want to accept only specific kind of errors means you write the code here. You can write exceptions as many as possible, but every exception should be one type.
Yes, that
If you
is
see
what I
here,
mean.
if you see here, I have written the code. If you want, one exception is for zero division, one exception is for name error. Instead of that, if you want to accept only these two. But what I'm saying is, whatever the code you write, any exception you will get, it will collected here. One try block, one exception block is much more enough. This is not a recommended way because we don't know what error will come from the code. So we need to accept anything, right?
Yes.
Sir, so is it like instead of going and mentioning each type of error, if you're just using the overall exception, it will be
Yes.
used.
Yes. For example, I have written here zero division error. I am running the code. Imagine if the name error is coming, I don't know. No? So if I write the exception keyword, it's a universal keyword. Like if you are getting name error, it will be given to here. Value error, it will be given to here. Anything.
Okay.
Anything, it will give here. Okay. So instead of writing these individual exceptions, just write this keyword. That is much more enough. Try block and exception. Now I am going to tell you one more point. There will be a keyword called finally. Finally. So what this finally will do is, finally will run with error and without error also. What I'm saying is, this is just like a print. For example, same code I'm copying, guys. Same code I'm copying and I'm pasting here. And I'm pasting here. I will write finally. Some hi I am writing. So guys, you see here, let's say I'm writing some number. I'm writing a number. That number, guys, is there any issue in the line in the code here? Whatever I'm writing, tell me. Is there any issue in the code? Whatever I'm writing. There is no issue here. So there is no issue. The code will run. I will get the output. If there is no issue, also the code will run. You will get output. On the time also, finally will execute it. Just like a print. See, the code is running. P means you are converting into integer and printing it. That time finally will run. For example, if I keep, now I am going to get the issue, get the error here. That error will be given to try. Try will throw to the exception, alias name, go inside and printing the error. You will print the error. On the time also finally will be printed. No, that there is no use with the see. I am getting a issue. Issue is correcting by the try. It will give to exception and printing the error and I'm printing hi. I'm printing hi. So with error, without error, the final keyword will run. That also you need to keep. Simply this is exception block. Okay, you need to keep inside the try and you need to keep inside the Except, that's it. But you are missing something here. Tell me. You are getting this error. Okay. Where is the line number, guys? Are you having any line number here? If I write 5 lines of code, in which line the issue is coming? Why the error is coming? Why the error is coming? It is mentioned here. Why the error is coming? It is mentioned here. But why the error is coming? It is mentioned here. But the question is, in which line? If you want to find the line number, I'm telling you. If you want to find the line number, you need to, that is not possible directly with the help of, exceptional handling, but that is possible with the help of some other techniques that I will tell you here with the help of a module that is known as an SYS. SYS. What is the meaning of SYS? SYS is nothing but, okay? SYS is nothing but system module. Okay, SYS is nothing but a system module. Using the system module, we can find the line number. Just to give me a minute, please. Just 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes, yes, sir. Sorry. Just got to find it. Okay. SYS module, yes, sir. SYS module means it's a system module. System module means only this module has the permission to go and to verify the compilers, the software, the operating system, everything. Everything, only this module has the permission. Okay. So what I will do is I will take the help. You can ask me, why, sir, why exception handling is not it? Exception handling is, what is the work of exception handling? If you are having 20 lines, it will optimize to 2 lines. This is what exception handling will do. But in which line it is coming, why it is coming, that will be not done by the exception handling. That will be done by SYS module. So now see how I will write that SYS model very, very clearly. See here. See, find the line number and more information from the error. So see, I'm going to write try block. I'm going to write the try block. Inside the try block, I am going to write A is equals to 10, B is equals to 0, print A divided by B. Okay. I am going to get the issue. I already told you, if there is no issue in the try block, the code will run. Except block will not run. That's it. Okay. If the try block is good, fine. If the try block is not good, the error will be given to the try. Try will give to, guys tell me, try will give to except block. Okay. Except will accept with the help of a keyword called exception. As E, which means alias name as E. Any variable you can write. So print E. Now see here I am writing very clearly the error from try block was. Can I write like this, guys? Tell me, any one of you. Can I write like this? Can I add some context,
Yes.
whatever I want to do? Yes, sir. This is a print condition.
Yes.
In between the quotes, whatever I want, I can write. And I am writing a variable. I am going to get the issue here. That issue will be collected by the try. Try will give to accept. Accept will accept with the exception keyword. And it will keep in a variable E. Go inside. So print condition. Inside the print, whatever you print, you write, it will print. The error from try block was 2 dots. I told you E. E means what? Error which is coming from the try. F will collect that E and will keep it here. Guys, I hope you understood everyone, right? Till guys, you understood clear here till everyone? Done, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, see, if you run it, what happens? See here. If I just run this code, whatever the error try is giving, what is the error from the try block was? What is the error? Just a zero division error. Error it is showing me. I want the line number. I want the information. More information I want. I don't want silly informations. I want the more informations. So what I'm going to do is Control A, Control C. I'm going to come here, paste here, import SYS library. It's a library, system library, SYS. So now see, I'm going to ask you one question. Error is coming here. Will you use the SYS here or will you use the SYS here? Just a simple logic. The
We have
error
to
is here.
use on top.
On the top, in the try block. In the try block, you are writing the code. If the code is good, it will run. If there is any issue, try will collect and give to accept. So the error, this is the error block, no? You need to write the logic in the error block to find the line number. To find the line number. Okay. So see what I'm going to do. It's very simple. Okay, I know try block is sending me some error. That error, whatever the try block it is sending the error, that error present in the E. I know that. Okay. In the E I have error. Okay. Which means in this block I have the error. You tell me yes or no. Try block is sending the error. That error is in the accept block or not now? Yes, that error is in the accept block. Okay. And you are printing the error also. Okay. Now what I am going to do is see. SYS dot in the system library. There is a function called exceptional information, which means using the system library in the except block, there is a error. If there is no error means try block will execute here itself only. No, except block will not run. If the error is there, error will given to try is giving to E and coming inside you are printing the E. Along with that, I am using the system library and I am finding the exceptional information. In the exception block, in the below exception block, whatever the error is there, what issue is going on, what error is there, all the issue, all the error I am going to find out. So exceptional information, what it will do? Okay, there is a issue coming from try and there is a issue in the exception block. This function will analyze the issue and will generate three outcomes. This function will analyze the issue in the exception block and will generate three outcomes. One is error type, error message, and line number. Three things it will generate. So three things it is generating means three things I need to accept with the variables. So what I will do, error type one variable, error message one variable, line number one variable. So you can ask me, sir, why you are writing three variables? Because here exceptional info, there is a issue because try block is sending a error. There is a issue in the exception block. There is error now currently. Currently there is a error in the exception block. Currently there is a error in the exception block. You are printing the error. You are printing the error. You are printing the error. Not only printing the error, I am also finding the complete information about the error. If there is no issue in the try block, except block won't run now, so no problem. If there is any issue in the try block, it will come to except block. It will come to except block. There is a issue you are printing, and I am finding in-depth knowledge on the issue also. In-depth knowledge on the issue. It will generate three outcomes. One is error type. What is the purpose? What is the type of the error? What is the error message? What is the line number? What is the line number? Now these three I will print. See? Type. What type I am getting? What type I am getting? I need to write. Error type. First error type I will print. Error type. Next one. Error message. What was the message? Error message. Now line number. Line number present in this variable. This variable take like TB suppose. So three outcomes, three variables. So and third variable I am keeping in TB. So TB. So line number TB dot line number. Line number. Very simple. See, guys, you see here simple logic. I will write 20. I will write 20 here, for example. Okay, A10, B20. 10 divided by 20. I will get the solution here. I will get the solution here. So this one will run. It won't run. Only here itself the solution is coming now. So 10 divided by 20, I will get the answer. 0.5 done. But if it is 0, I will get the issue. That issue will be corrected by the try. It will give to the exception. It will come E. You are printing the issue. Not only printing the issue, but in-depth knowledge you are finding with the help of system module. Using the system module, I am finding the complete information. This information will generate three outcomes. This information will generate three outcomes. So let's say complete information I'm getting from here. Complete information I'm getting from here. How much information I'm getting? I'm getting three variables, three outcomes, three different informations I'm going to get. So one of the information is error type. What is the purpose of error? What is the purpose of error? What is the error message? What is the error message? And TB. TB means in this TB line number information will be there, but not properly. There also subfunction you need to use. I am printing the type. See, this error type I am printing, error message I am printing, TB. Sir, in the TB line number is there, no? You need to write TB, in that inner functions will be there, TB line number. Now if I run it, see. Now if I run, there is a issue here. Issue going here. You are printing the issue, see. The error from the try block was, you are printing the issue. Okay. After printing the issue, this is generating 3 outcomes. So what was the error type? Error type is 0 division error. What was the error message? Message is 0 division by 0. And from which line I am getting? I am getting from the line number 7. Guys, you tell me, what is, the issue is optimized or not properly?
Sir, here why we give TB, sir?
TB.TB. My question is also
TB.TB.
TB.
14th line.
See, let's say for example, this is generating 3 outcomes. One outcome I will keep in A, one outcome I will keep in B, one outcome I will keep in C. Okay. A means what? Error type of the error. B means what? Here nothing but message. C means what? In the place of C, I am writing TB. It's a variable, first of all. Okay. You can ask me one question. Okay, Kamal, like error type means error type is printing. Error message means error message is printing. And if I just write TB, what happens? A lot of people will think in the TB line number is there.
Sir, in the place of TB, if we can give line number means it will accept, sir.
అది వేరియబుల్. నీకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు నేను చెప్పింది. ఇప్పుడు ఒక 3 వాల్యూస్ వస్తున్నాయి అవుట్కమ్స్. ఒకటి ఏ లోకి, ఒకటి బి లోకి, ఒకటి సి లోకి తీసుకోవాలా? సో అలానే ఇక్కడ ఒక 3 అవుట్కమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. 3 అవుట్కమ్స్, 1 అవుట్కమ్ నేను ఈ వేరియబుల్ లో పెట్టుకున్నాను, ఇంకొకటి ఈ వేరియబుల్ లో పెట్టుకున్నాను. ఇక్కడ లైన్ అని ఎందుకు రాయలేదంటే ఇక్కడ టెక్స్ట్ లో కూడా నేను లైన్ అని రాస్తున్నాను కదా, మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారేమో అని రాయలేదు నేను.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. సో here for example I will take some variable C. I am taking C. So type will be here, message will be here, and in the C I am having line number. For example, I will run. See what is happening in the line number. If I am printing the C, it is giving me the RAM memory address. It is giving me the memory address of the variable. But if I want the line number exactly inside this memory address, there will be lot of sub functions. If I click the dot of sub functions are there. TB next, TB last, TB from different functions are there. What I need, guys? I need only line number, no? I need only line number, no? See, TB line number. So in the C, you will be having line number, but directly it will not come. You need to use the sub function which comes under this parameter, this variable. Now if I run it, understood all of you? So now you tell me, normal way of writing is good or optimized way is good? Tell me.
Optimized way will give you clarity on what needs
Sorry?
to be done. Optimized way will help us to reduce the code lines and give you clarity
Yeah,
on
code
where to
lines,
focus.
the outcomes, where it is coming exactly. Why I told this concept using the SYS also is, let's say in a real-time perspective, let's discuss. For example, Hotstar is there. For example, Hotstar, there is an application called Hotstar. Okay. In the midnight 1 o'clock, there is an issue happened in the Hotstar. Do that mean the application will stop? Application will run continuously. Whatever the issue that is there, tomorrow morning the developer will solve it. Yes or no? Okay. Today morning, for example, I went to the office. Today morning I went to the office. What I will do immediately? Yesterday night completely how the application is going on. That I will check. So I will open the code here. So see, after going to the office every day, what we will do? Complete night we will stay with the family. You know, tomorrow morning if I go to the office, first of all I will see how the application, how the file is running. I will go to log file. We'll create the log files. So in the log file, I will see, okay, every green colors are good. There is no issue in the green color. See, everything is going on well. But see here, there is an issue that is happening in the line number 53. In the line number 53, there is an issue is happening. Even though the application is running, but again, it is giving you the error. Again, issue. My question is, if you're not using the exception handling means how much error you will be getting? You will be getting 7 lines. So will you paste the 7 lines here? No. So simply in a single line, the error need to be allocated. So for that purpose, if you see the real-time code, say try block, except block. In the except block also, if you see exceptional information. Okay, I want message, and you see here try blocks exception everywhere. See try block. See exception block. Same code, no? Exception information. 3 parameters are coming, printing those 3 parameters. Yes or no? See? Exceptional information. 3 parameters are coming, 3 parameters printing. Complete real-time code I have placed in front of you. In the real time, if you are getting the issues, so see, very simple. You are getting the issue. How you will save the issue? How you will save the issue? For example, see, in a real-time perspective, imagine I am writing a code. So there might be some issue. In the real time, if I show like this, if I show the error like this, how it is? It's not a good way, no? Like if I show the error in 7 to 10 lines or 6 to 7 lines, this many lines, it's not an optimized way. But what I will do very simply, I will remove all these things also. Simply, I will do only in the real time. What I will do is, see, what I will do is simply see, fire on it. If there is any issue is happening, I will show the error like this. Getting the issue in line number 7 due to, so see here, due to, there is a issue in the line number 7 due to 0 division error. What is the reason? Division by 0. Because of dividing something with 0, you are getting the issue. Understood, guys? So if you save this one into the file, some other people will understand. If you generate like this for every error, imagine 10 errors are there. 10 times 6 lines, 6 lines, 6 lines, 60 lines error only will show you. It's not a good way. You understood, guys, all of you? How to optimize the error? Any code you write, please keep it in the try block and exception block. For example, I will show you. Functions. Let's go to the Python functions concept. In the function, suppose a very good function we take. Suppose this function is there, guys. Suppose this function is there. Instead of writing the function directly, see here, instead of writing the function directly like this, if you run, you will get the outcome. So child 1, em1, you are giving to child 1, child 2, child 3, you are printing them. Instead of writing this same code, keep try block. Inside the try, write everything and maintain the indentations properly. This also maintain inside, see, function call. Inside the try block, I am writing the function and I am calling the function. And what I will do? You just copy this line. Just copy this code. No need of doing anything. Copy and keep it here. So what happens if there is any issue coming here? That as of now there is no issue here. See, as of now no issue. So if you run, it will run execute. It will run clearly. No, sir, there is an issue that is happening. What issue? For example, I am writing the print here. Print here. Suppose if I am writing the print here, or else let me write the what we will do is for passing text on, you know. Okay. I'll try to do like this. Okay. I'll try to do like this. I am trying to convert the text to integer. I will get the issue here. I'll get the issue. That issue will be corrected by the try. It will give to E, finding the information and printing the issue. See See, getting issue in line number 5. Okay, in line number 5, I'm getting the issue due to value error, which means converting the string to integer. And the reason is, this is the reason. See how much lines of code you write, the outcome is very simple. Instead of generating these many errors. Anything you write, just write inside the 5 block, except block, copy paste only. Guys, understood all of you? Guys, all understood? Completely about the exception handling from the basic to the ending, a real-time perspective also. I hope a lot of people worried or it's a huge code or what, nobody is responding. Is it easy, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, understood the syntax.
Very simple. Whatever you are practicing, please practice inside the function for some days. After practicing the function, whatever you are writing, write in the try block and except block. Simple. Okay. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me. Tomorrow we'll start OOPS. I will upload all the files and materials you can find in your flex. All clear now, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, see you tomorrow.